Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add an extra member to your Netflix, profile. So let's get right into it. Now, sadly, I cannot show you how this is done because adding extra members is not available in my country at the moment. So I need to use this, help article here, and I'll be explaining to you guys what it is and how you can do it. Now, extra members are pretty much just members outside of your household who can use your account but with their account, and that sounds a bit confusing, but let me explain. So they have their separate account and you have your account, and let's say you have a subscription. For example, you have the $10 plan for 4K footage, and they have an account but don't have a plan. If you add them as an extra member and they are outside of your household, they can use your subscription plan on their account with a separate password, separate information, separate accounts, everything, and they can use it only with your plan, and you'll be paying for them. Of course, you need to add them yourself, or you need to accept them if they send a request. And the way you do this is the following. Members who have a standard or premium plan can add extra members. Standard plans can add one, premium can add two, and adding an extra member just involves buying an extra slot. You do need to do this by going to your account settings and selecting the buy extra member slot option. Then you need to invite your extra member, and then when they set up their own account, they can accept it and use it to join Netflix or to join your household in your plan. Now, to do it from a browser, as I've said, go to account, then select buy an extra member slot, choose next, review and confirm your payment and the new billing date, select buy now, then set up the extra member by entering their name, email, and your name. Then choose if you want to transfer an existing profile for them, and then the extra member will receive an email from Netflix with a unique invitation link, which they need to click to become a extra member. And then you can go to manage extra members to copy the invitation link and send it directly if you so choose, if they don't get the email, for example. And then when they accept, they're going to be added as an extra member, and they can use your profile, or rather they can use your plan, and they can use their own account while doing so. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.